welcome again, guys. And I'm very sure you guys have gone through the last video, but in this video I'll be discussing with you about two things. The first one is characters acting on themselves, and two, choosing video angles. Before characters can act on themselves, they have to be very close. Just imagine and take characters like yourself. You're trying to represent yourself in an animated world. Before you can act on yourself or shake hands with somebody, you have to be very close with that person. You don't expect that person to be sitting in front of the class, and you are sitting at the extreme end of the class, and you expect to shake hands with that person. You have to move very close. So the same thing applies to characters acting on themselves. They have to be a little bit close. So now look at it now. I've actually chosen the bedroom environment, and I'll add another actor now. Let me add Nate. Here. Let me add Nate. So we have Ernesto and Nate in the bedroom now. Before, all you just have to do is click this. If you click this now, that is to tell you, okay, you want to act. Look at it now. Say, okay, you choose Ernesto, the actor, and act on Nate. Ernesto act on Nate. So what do you want the act should be? Is it Eskimo kiss, first choke, handshake, high five, and so on and so forth? But let me choose let me go with slap. So Ernesto is slapping Nate based on the reason best known to him. So that is an action. If you play it now, you see. So that is how characters act on themselves. So you can choose from the list of actions and the one you wanted to perform. So secondly, the video angles. All you just have to do is click on this. If you click on that, it will bring out this. See, then you can choose how your angle should be. Is it establishing shot? Is it skip establishing shot? That would decide how the angles would be like.